aside from Pia's wedding, we have another reason to celebrate this afternoon, mga kapuso, because we have a new leading lady here in GMA7.
Wow!
An it girl that you need to watch out for. Let's watch this.
Favorite nito ni Jeff.
Ito ay istorya ng isang dalaga na iniwan ang kanyang buhay sa Geneva, Switzerland at lumipad ng halos 7,000 milya patungong Pilipinas. All for the sake of following her dream to be a star.
Hi, I'm Sarah Labati. I'm 16 years old, half Moroccan and half Filipino. I speak French, English, Tagalog, a bit of German and Arabic.
At ngayon, 2 years later, natupad na ang pangarap ni Sarah Alzol Labati.
It's already been almost 2 years. Sumali siya sa Starstruck. She was only 16. So, mahirap yun eh. Kasi you're 16, you're growing, you're facing all these challenges, tapos you're in a reality show. Yung Starstruck namin, yung show namin, Starstruck. So, I admire her. I admire talaga si Sarah for doing that.
Siya yung bata na kung meron siyang gustong gawin, gustong ini-inform niya muna ako. So talagang happy ako na brought up ko siya na ganun siya. Ang gusto niyang ma-achieve is to become a famous award. Yun ang talagang gusto niya, yung magkaroon siya ng award as an actress.
Mula sa pagiging ultimate female survivor sa latest batch ng Starstruck, Sarah has proven her worth sa Party Pilipinas at bilang kontrabida sa Time of My Life.
When it comes to Time of My Life, napaka-effective niyang kontrabida. Kahit na sa mukha niya, syempre, hindi siya mukhang kontrabida. Pero the way she speaks and acts, talagang ganda.
Alam kong malayo ang mararating ni Sarah dahil maganda siya, kumakanta siya, sumasayaw siya. So, pasok sa banga si Sarah.
Ngunit ngayon, Sarah Labati will finally get her shot bilang bida sa remake ng 1989 film na Coca.
Kasi natutuwa ako dahil hinintay talaga namin to. Dahil hindi namin akalain na itong birthday na to, yun ang magiging regalo ng GMA artist at sa buong bumubuo ng GMA network. Papasalamat ako sa inyo lahat.
And nandito lang kami para sa'yo to support you. And we're very excited na magkasama-sama tayo dito sa bago mong project with GMA.
I can see the determination in her eyes and I can see that yun nga, na malayo mararating niya.
At ngayong hapon, makikita natin ang matinding pagbabago as Sarah Labati steps out as a new woman at 18 years old. Matapos ang kanyang pag-aabang, siya naman ngayon ang aabangan. Live on Showbiz Central's most requested talent, Sarah Labati.
Please welcome on the show Starstruck Princess and the newest leading lady here in the Kapuso Station. Please welcome Sarah Labati.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Sarah, and happy birthday.
Thank you very much. Good afternoon, everyone.
It's your big debut today and syempre debut din ng pinakabagong show mo. Ang announcement nga na nasa sayo na itong bagong proyekto dito sa GMA. But before we talk about that, Sarah, marami ang gustong bumati sa'yo sa iyong karawan. So let's watch this.
Happy birthday. Welcome to the real world. And I'm very excited to work with you. Palagay ko magkakasundo tayo. Sana mas marami pa tayong gawin. And I hope I can be part of your success.
I wish you luck with your career at alam ko malayo mararating mo. You're very talented, you're very beautiful.
Grabe, 18 ka pa lang, ganyan ka nakatangkad. Paano na yan? Pagkausap kita, lagi na lang ako nakatingala.
You only turn 18 once in your life, so enjoy. Always pray and always take care of your friends and your family.
I want to say thank you dahil isa ka sa closest friends ko dito sa showbiz. I'm happy I got to know you. I'm happy we got close. We became really good friends.
Hello, Sarah. Happy 18th birthday. Proud kami sa kung anong achievement mo ngayon. Keep it up dahil alam ko isa ka sa mga pinakamasipag na artista na kilala ko. So, God bless always. Kayang-kaya mo yan.
Alam mo yan, te, love na love kita.
She has nothing to worry about all her wants kasi feeling ko makukuha talaga niya. And right now, ang naiisip ko talagang gusto niya is to be with her dad on her birthday. And lagi namin napag-uusapan na gusto niya talaga umuwi minsan sa Switzerland.
And I know you love your family so much. That's why they're always there for you as well. tuparin mo lang yung pangarap mo sa buhay. Stay beautiful, stay humble, and stay sweet.
There you go, the birthday girl. Sarah, what can you say?
Na-touch ako. Thank you very much sa lahat ng nag-message. Sabi ko, kay Mommy, promise, hindi talaga ako iyak. Hindi pwede. Pero ayun, na-touch ako. So thank you very much sa lahat ng nag-message and of course sa Showbiz Central. Thank you.
Sarah, I personally want to congratulate you. Congratulations kasi alam ko matagal mo na rin inintay itong ganitong klaseng proyekto na magbida at mabigyan ng ganitong klaseng break. And since you joined Starstruck, Sarah, ano yung pinakamalaking pagbabago na nangyari sa buhay mo?
Actually, marami. God has been blessing me with a lot of things na at saka sa mga taong nami-meet ko, ang dami kong natututunan. Basta sobrang daming nangyayaring maganda sa akin na sobrang saya ko lang. I'm very grateful to God and to my family and my friends and of course sa GMA.
So the brand new show is called Kokak, which is a remake of an 80s film, I believe. So, anong gagawin mong bago dito sa Kokak na hindi pa nakikita ng tao sa'yo?
Actually, magiging bagong-bago and fresh. Hindi siya magiging kagaya ng kung ano yung original na version ng Kokak. And may sinasabi rin sa akin nila, Direct Ricky, na Sarah, just don't watch na lang the original movie kasi para mas fresh yung attack and kung ano yung gusto naming kung paano namin gusto i-portray yung role, yun, ganun, para mas fresh and mas bago.
Now that you're 18, you're now a woman, and I know that this role is gonna be a challenging one. At alam ko rin na medyo may pagka-daring. I mean, ikaw ba handa ka na sa mga daring and sexy roles, Sarah?
Magpa-sexy, hindi pa. Pero yun nga yung Kokak, medyo may pagka-sexy siya. So, iibahin siya eh. Hindi siya gagawin na kung paano siya, kung hindi siya gagayahin sa original version na super revealing yung
mga eksena. And of course, I'm sure, kasi I heard that it's gonna be more of a modern day version talaga, na may pagka-fantasy din, hindi ba? And I know that you'll be working with TJ Trinidad, na napakahusay na aktor. Meron bang konting kaba at pressure on your part na makipagsabayan sa isang award-winning actor?
Sobrang pressured ako. Nung StoryCon pa lang, nung Friday, nasa table ako, katabi ko sila, ang tahimik ko. I was shaking kasi parang kinakausap ako ni TJ, tapos kinakongratulate niya ako. And basta sobrang natuwa ako kasi napakabait niya and parang open-minded silang lahat para mag-share ng ideas and magtulungan. Basta sabi niya, magtutulungan tayo, ganyan-ganyan. So I'm very happy na sila yung nakasama ko sa first soap.
Nung una mong na-meet si TJ, ano yung first impression mo sa kanya?
Siyempre nagwapo. He's very good-looking and he's tall. And yun nga, alam ko naman na napakagaling niya, napakahusay na aktor dahil napapanood ko rin siya before sa mga soap niya. Ayan.
What does this, getting this role, Sarah, what does it mean to you?
Sobrang importante nito sa akin. Nakakwento ko sa mga close friends ko na acting is really my passion ever since. Nung bata pa lang ako, si Mommy, nahuhuli niya akong umiiyak sa harap ng salamin na nag-i-impersonate ng mga taong kilala ko or basta laging bukang bibig ko ang pag-arte. And ngayon na nakuha ko na yung gusto ko, kakaibang pakiramdam, sobrang saya.
I think this is the best birthday gift na pwedeng ibigay sa'yo, hindi ba? And alam ko na all eyes are on you now kasi sisimulan mo na nga itong bagong project and you are the newest girl to watch out for. Sarah, alam ko marami kang inaasam sa birthday mo at nakuha mo na halos lahat except for one, is to be with a man that you love who is all the way in Switzerland. But because it's your birthday, Sarah, let's watch this.
I've been very happy because I think she was waiting for some project for a long time, and now I'm happy that I think it's a big gift from GMA to Sarah.
Yeah.
And I'm very happy and very thankful for that. 18th birthday, and of course that's very exciting and that's very important. And it's like I can't believe because I used to see always her pictures here in the house in Geneva, in Switzerland, and I saw lots of pictures when she was baby. I can't believe that she's already 18 years old now. My advice to Sarah is just to keep giving all the best of what she has, and to be more patient, to be always close to us. So happy birthday, Sarah. I wish you all the best, more success and more blessings, and take care always. Happy birthday. Love you always. Take care.
Your dad who's all the way in Geneva, Switzerland. Sarah, kailan mo last nakita yung dad mo?
I think the last time I saw him was last year pa or 2 years ago pa yata. Yan.
How much do you miss your dad?
Daddy's girl kasi ako eh. And sobrang close ako sa kanya. And syempre, pagka meron kang na-achieve, gusto mo sila yung unang makakaalam. So, ayun, nakakamiss lang. I just wish that sana nandito siya. Pero, I think technology na nakakausap ko siya araw-araw sa phone, sa internet. So, ayun.
I'm sure he must be so proud of you, Sarah, and I'm sure he will be watching this on YouTube or something later. So, what message do you want to say to your dad?
Can I speak in French?
Okay, tas translate mo na lang after. Go.
Papa, merci beaucoup pour le message. Je t'aime beaucoup et tout ça ce que je fais c'est pour vous, c'est pour toi et maman. Je vous aime et j'espère te voir bientôt.
Social. Ano yun? Anong ibig sabihin nun, Sarah?
Thank you for the message, for the greeting, and I hope to see you soon and to see you soon with mom. Yun. Na-miss ko din siya ngayon.
Sarah, once again, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday. And we
Thank you.
cannot wait to see you in Cocac, of course, opposite TJ Trinidad. Kailan magsisimula to? Kailan kayo mag-roll?
November 14 na yung airing, pero
Okay.
yung taping namin ay next week na.
Okay.
So, I'm very excited na makatrabaho si na TJ, JC Chuseco, maraming iba pa po. Ayun.
Grabing tiwala sa
Sorry.
iyo ng GMA ngayon, Sarah. Again, this is the best birthday gift. But because this is MRT Most Requested Talent, you kind of have to do something for us. Can you sing for us? Lead
No
us
problem.
to extra.
Sige po. Sige.
Go for it.
Ayan, meron po akong hinandang song na importante rin sa akin. And isa sa mga favorite songs ko. Okay lang po bang i-acapella ko?
Go for it.
lang? Alright.
Go.
I've made up my mind. Don't need to look no further. This ain't wrong, this ain't right. Don't need to look no further. This ain't lost. I know this is love, but if I tell the world, I'd never say enough, 'cause it was not said to you, and that's exactly what I need to do. If I'd end up with you, should I give up, or should I just keep chasing pavements, even if it leads nowhere? Or would it be a waste, even if I knew my place? Should I leave it there? Should I give up, or should I just keep chasing pavements, even if it leads nowhere?
There you go, Sarah Labati. Sarah, stay there kasi may gustong bumati sa'yo. Let's call in Derek Monasterio.
Hi!
Happy
birthday.
Thank you. Thank you.
Derek, anong birthday message mo for Sarah? Join us here. Have a seat.
Gusto ko lang malaman mo na andito lang ako para sa'yo. Ayun, sana mag-bloom palalo yung career mo. Tsaka alam mo yan. Tsaka sana magkita na kayo ng father mo. And yun lang, stay beautiful inside and out. Happy birthday.
Thank you very much.
All right. There you go. Thank you so
Derek.
much, Derek. And thank you so much, Sarah.
Thanks, Raymond.
Diyan lang po kayo. Mamaya po makakausap natin ng live si Pia Guanyo tungkol sa di umunay kasal niya. Stick around, Showbiz Central. We'll be right back.